Morning everyone, what's good? Welcome back to the channel once again, and today we're gonna work on the S13. We're gonna put together the front end, probably go through some of the parts and probably like the future plans of it. And oh yeah, I already ordered some parts for it too, so that'll be coming soon. For now, I guess I'll just talk about the car. This is a 1989 Nissan 240 SX. It came with the JDM Silvia front end. It came with these wild aggressive fenders. So if you look right here, I mean the dual vents look good, but I don't know, I kind of don't like this. So the good thing is that we got an extra set of fenders right here. They are Vertex. These are more like OEM style, so I don't think it's anything too aggressive like this, but I think it's like plus 20, I'm guessing, something like that. But yeah, they are genuine Vertex. So I'll probably throw these on, paint them pretty soon, and then probably use these as just like drift spares, beaters, or whatever. This is a KBD front bumper. These are cool. They're pretty flimsy and flexible, so in the future I definitely want to change that out. Probably rock all fiberglass. And then same thing with this hood too as well. They did this, they just riveted this whole vent scoop thing. I don't know, I'm guessing it's supposed to be like D-Max kind of style. So I don't know, maybe I'll get a genuine D-Max or a Cybon or something. Keep it carbon fiber or fiberglass, whatever. And I haven't really talked about this, but this is a single cam KA24E. So these came in the 89s and the 1990 versions. This one's solid because it has been freshly rebuilt from previous owner, thank you. But we are having some electrical issues, as you can see from the last video. So we're gonna have to change all that out. I ordered a brand new harness for this motor, so hopefully that fixes the issues. Maybe I'll change out the distributor as well. Probably change out the spark plug wires, all the ignition stuff. So hopefully that goes good. These wheels, I mean, they're alright, they're cool. They're the old school Rotas. I don't know. Supposedly they're better made when they're old school than the new ones, but whatever. Those are definitely going to be changed out as well. I believe these are GK Tech mirrors. These ones are they're pretty cool. They're solid. They're not flimsy or anything. They don't move. They don't have any play, so I would definitely recommend those. Skirts, I have no idea what skirts these are, but they are fiberglass. These are cool too. I mean, maybe I'll rock these for a while. Here is, I think, what, D-Max rear roof wing, D-Max style, I'm guessing. I really like this wing because it's like a low kick, so it's like flat, you know, it's not all kicked up all high for no reason. And then here is the rear bumper. I don't know what rear bumper this is. I'm guessing it's supposed to be like a Vertex style, I'm guessing. I'm not too sure. Exhaust, I don't know. That looks like the ISR to me. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then the tail lights as well. I'm guessing these are what, like D-Maxes, something like that. I'm not too sure, but I'll go through all of it. Then here's the interior. Everything's pretty clean in here. For 1989 steering wheel, it's all fresh. It's still good. I noticed that these are S13 seats. Fits the car pretty well, actually. It's not too bad. I think these are what, like the base model seats supposedly. I'm not too sure. Comes with the dash mat. Definitely has a cracked dash, which is typical on these. Kind of like Corollas, they're always cracked. Put this back real quick, and then this is how the rear of the interior looks. No seats. Has a harness bar, and then it has like I have the shelving that he provided for me. Watch, I'll show you. This is right here. It's like an aluminum piece. It's cool. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to do something so that it doesn't rattle, because I already know it's gonna rattle as soon as I put it in. Here's the rear tower bar. It's a Megan Racing. I'll probably change that out for Cusco. But yeah, other than that, everything's pretty clean. Has a little Bride shift boot. That's pretty cool. I like that. Shift knob, I'll probably change that out as well. Back on the cracked dash subject. The funny thing is that the previous owner included this, and I didn't even notice that it was in the trunk until like I got home and went through all the parts. And check it out, boys. Check it out. Whole new dash cover. Yes, sir. Hey, these things are clutch. They're like $100, $120. There's a video recently too that Jimmy Oaks, shout out to Jimmy Oaks. He did a video about the dash cover on his S13 coupe, and actually they come out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty nice. They fit nice. So shout out to you, bro. Here's the headlights that everybody wants, pretty much. I guess they're getting more rare and rare. So the Silvia brakes that everybody wants. These came with the car as well. Yeah, they're super clean. Well, these are kind of beat up, but I'm thankful, so I'm not gonna complain. And then here's like they call it the R32 grill style. I don't know who makes this. There's no stamp, no name on it, so I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna be running this as well for now. But I'm definitely gonna touch up on everything. Like this even has like the glitter and all that. So if I want to feel cute, you know. And here's the Silvia brakes right here. I mean, they're cool. They're in good condition. I can't complain. These are definitely getting hard to find, and they're becoming way more expensive as well, which is crazy. I'll probably throw those on right now. Keep it simple, keep it clean, have fun with it. It's still misfiring, so I gotta figure that out. But like what Chris said, believe it's gonna be the wire harness. So like I said before, I did order a new one, so that should be coming in pretty soon. Oh yeah, and I have these as well. I don't know if they're OEM. These amber, was it turn signals? So I'll probably be throwing these on as well. Hopefully they work. Hopefully everything works, because I'm not even too sure, to be honest. Yeah, I don't even know the name of this company, but here's a tower bar. A Lutec or something like that. I don't know. Let me know if these are good, because I definitely want to change it out for a Cusco one. But if these are solid, then I'll just rock this for now. And then here's the Silvia corners, the clears as well. These ones are cool. They're clean. I will be doing a video on this as well. He gave me a new exity clutch. Thank you, bro. I definitely need that. And then he also gave me a whole new bushing kit, so probably do that sometime in the future. He also gave me a new fan, or the OEM fan clutch. All right, so pretty much I went through the whole car. I'm not too sure. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. To be honest, I don't really know too much about these cars, because I was in the Corolla game, left that, and then now I went to the dark side, bro. I'm in the S13 game now. Oh yeah, let me show you this as well. Hold it with me. I got a little something for y'all. Hopefully, I don't know if this is a rare option or what, but it does come with a digital dash right here. And then also, you could barely see it, but there's a heads-up display right. You can't even see it, but yeah, it comes with a heads-up display. So I don't know if that's like a rare option or what. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the number right there. But yeah, definitely, you know, they're definitely ahead of their time for that, because I haven't seen that in an 80s car. Well, actually, yeah, the Corollas did have them digital, but not with the heads-up display is what I mean. All right, so enough of the talking. I'm gonna get to building. Alright, so I pretty much already ran into my first issue. I'm definitely missing hardware, so I'm gonna have to do a little hardware run probably sometime in the future, but I'm gonna connect as much as I can, possibly probably make my own, or even zip tie it for the meantime until I get actual hardware for it. But yeah, let's keep going. This is how it looks so far. I put some hardware for the bumper. The bumper doesn't fit correctly, but it's all good. Whatever. Work with what you got. But here are the headlights, and let me know what you guys think. I got some of the front end in. I got the lights, the corners. Not too bad, not too shabby. Obviously, these fiberglass fenders, they don't fit perfectly. I'm guessing these are cheap corners too, so the fitment's not the greatest, but I got it in. And then on this side was kind of tough because I had to trim some of it, some of the fiberglass as well. Nice little panel gap right here, little light gap, but whatever, you know. GIF car, it's all good. What you guys think? What you guys think? The next is gonna be the grill. So it goes on here like this, and it'll sit something like that. It looks good already. Yeah, definitely changing out this front bumper and definitely changing out the fenders, because yeah, it ain't the business, but it's what we're working with right now. But it looks good though, nice and complete. Like I said before, the fitment's not the greatest, but hey, it looks better. It looks better than nothing. Look at that. And then I also forgot to mention these. If you guys have any clear ones, let me know, because I'll probably swap them out since everything else is pretty much clear. But yeah, everything looks good. Even the grill too. The fitment's not too bad. The hood though. The hood definitely needs to be changed. As you can tell right here, has good old panel gap, but whatever. Drift car, you know, drift car things. So yeah, hopefully when the wire harness comes in, I'm definitely gonna change that out. Probably hopefully next episode or so. And I got big ideas, big plans for this build. Definitely want to throw a LSD in it. Probably get some new axles, lower control arms. So the good thing that I enjoy about these chassis too is like there's a bunch of aftermarket support. So you can literally find anything like PBM, WiseFab, GK Tag. There's a bunch of companies out there that support these. Today is Father's Day, so shout out to all the fathers out there. You know, much love from Team Nice, NICESTYLE, you know what I mean. About to go enjoy, spend some time with my family. About to go eat some dinner, so I'll be right back with the cinematic. Alright, so we're back. I think my main goals for this car is going to be probably like a motor swap, because I definitely don't want to keep the KA. Yes, they're cool in their ways, you know, everybody has their own personal preference, but I think for me, I think I want to go SR. That seems to be the best bet, because I want to keep it 4-cylinder. People are saying like, oh, go 1J, 2J, RB. Like, yeah, it's cool to have 6-cylinder, but I think I want to keep it 4-banger for now, and to kind of keep the roots, you know, keep the motor that's intended for this car. So yeah, I think an SR would probably be the best bet. What do you guys think about the front end though? Or it doesn't really fit perfectly, but it is what it is, man. So I'm gonna take it out right now, probably do a little cinematic, and you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a wrap for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. More content coming soon for this car, and I'll see y'all next time. Late.
나이스!